Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're definitely Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time of seeing this face and stumbling on my channel, you're definitely welcome. My name is Miriam Okonkwo. On this channel, I make videos ranging from beauty, lifestyle, and vlogs. Very recently, I've started incorporating YouTube growth tips, and business advice videos as well, or how to start a business in 2020 videos. So if those are videos or areas you're interested in, consider subscribing to my channel, and that's on period. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I package and ship my orders. So if you guys don't know, I officially launched my website yesterday, which was the 23rd of May 2020 was when maybeautypro.shop launched. And on our website we sell virgin human hair and 25mm milk lashes, and to the glory of God, I'm super excited. Like, I never expected to get any order yesterday, but to the glory of God, we have 2 orders and I'm so excited. You need to have seen me yesterday. I was jumping, I was dancing, I was calling everybody to announce to them that I've made a sale, I've made a sale. Do you get it? It was really exciting. Babe, how excited were you about our sale yesterday?
Super excited.
Yes, like, so let us have the same ginger for the rest of till we sell out. If you guys, so this is all we have to sell. Let me show you guys. So this is where we have packed all our lashes, all the 4 styles. So help us sell out by ordering, and I don't know if you guys can see. So help us sell out faster by ordering from us, support us, and God bless you guys as usual. So today we're on a hunt for thank you cards, because I realized I wanted to also appreciate. So the first person to purchase on my website, I never expected to sell anything yesterday. I was just so emotional yesterday. But thank you so much. Thank you. So we were on a hunt for thank you cards, which would be adding to every order, and we also got these gift bags for local pickups. So if you're in the same city as I am and you want to pick up from me, this would be the pickup bags. I wish they had like black, but this is a lot better compared to the peach colored one that I wanted to pick up, and I think this can fit about 2 to 3 lashes. So yeah, I actually don't see anybody ordering 4 lashes, unless you guys want to surprise me and order all my lashes. That would be bomb. So we got thank you cards, we got some pickup bags, and then we got some mascara ones, which I can't find suddenly. That's strange. Oh, it's here. So we got some mascara ones. So all orders would have the mascara one. So what this does is that if you want to clean your lashes after wearing it, or maybe there's a cotton wool or something, you know, when you're wiping your face, you can just use this to just brush it out. Or if it's tangled, which, you know, fortunately, because it's May Beauty Pro lashes, it will never tangle. Then we got some thank you stickers, and we got all this at Target. See, when I say we're hunting, like serious hunt, so we're out since 12 o'clock. We thought we were going to get it at one month. See, it's a long story, forget it. So these thank you stickers, I think we got for 2. We got this for, I can't remember. Okay, so 2.49 for each, and there are 24 stickers at one. So I know, like, so we'll finish this before getting like any other one. And I got some beauty blenders. I saw this one and I realized that I haven't used it before, and I needed like new beauty blenders. I know that I'm obsessed with the Spence Cosmetics one, so but I'm happy to try out a new one. So I also swatched like a foundation, the Urban Decay Lightweight 24 hours foundation. If any of you guys have tried the foundation, please let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section, because I actually liked it. It was really matte. Long story short, let's go and start packaging. So let me get my phone. We have 2 orders from yesterday, and aside from that, I will be shipping out. So we got 2 orders. Yay! 2 orders. So excited. So we got 2 orders yesterday, but aside from this, I'm going to be, so one is going to Lagos, Nigeria, and then one is in the US here. I also want to ship out my PR for those in the US. So when I'm sending the package for Nigeria, I'm just also going to include my PR package for the person that I've chosen in Lagos. So yeah, super excited. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna switch over so you guys can see my laptop. So I'm gonna open my store and I'll go to orders. Let me make it bigger. So I'll go to orders. I don't know, for some reason it says loading. So I have to sign in. So it's logging me in. Hopefully it doesn't ask me for my password again. Okay, so it's logged in. So as you can see, we have 2 orders from yesterday. I think I need to use my phone just in case this stuff. So we got 2 orders from yesterday, day of our launch. I'm super excited. As I said, I never expected this. So one person ordered Izzy ordered two lashes, and let's see, so she ordered Oge and Ada. Then this is one lash Azara. So this is the one going to Lagos, Nigeria. So this one I'll do first, and basically what you want to do is you click it. I'm going to cover the address so you don't. She ordered 2 pairs of lashes. She ordered Oge, and then she ordered Ada. She used a 5% code, 5% off. So for those that are subscribed to our newsletter, we gave them 5% off their entire purchase. So this is the cost she eventually paid. Long story short, so if you click this, you'll be buying your shipping label via Shopify. I mean, it's cheaper than buying it directly from USPS, but there's a more cheaper way. So what you want to do is you click more actions, and then you see buy cheaper postage, and it's going to take you to your pirate ship. And it's going to also, on pirate ship, it's going to import like all the orders you have, and it's going to show here. So it's just taking a few seconds to load. So you can see loading here. So it's going to take you to this page, and what you want to do is click get rates. You can do everything together, but this Lagos one, I'm not ready to ship it out yet. So I'm going to do this one first, and I'll just click get rates. And here it's going to show you your address, ship from. Then you want to change type of packaging because I'm sending it in a padded envelope. So this, I'll click this, and the length is 10 by 6. So you want to know the size of your poly mailer. And then so this is where we're going to have to chew, and so I'll just show you guys what we're going to do now. Right here we're going to go ahead and package her order. So she ordered one Oge and Ada. Let me just confirm again. So yeah, she ordered Oge and Ada. So I'm just going to go over here where we have our stuff. So this is where I put them in a storage bowl, and I have them in Ziplocs bag. So this is Oge. So I'm just going to open it and then pick one. So this is what Oge looks like, very pretty. And she ordered Ada. So this is where Ada is, and this is what Ada looks like. So this too was what she ordered. We're going to come back to this area and complete the work. So we have 2 of our orders here. I'm just going to look through it to make sure that it's not, there's no defect on it, like it's perfect. Yeah, so this is good. This is also good. You want to make sure that what you're sending to your customer is the right thing, and it's also like correct, there's no issue, so that there's no, even though there's no return on I don't accept returns, and I also don't accept exchanges or refunds. So I always make sure to check the quality of what I'm sending out. So when you come back and tell me, oh, there's an issue, I already know there's no issue because I sent this to you. Do you understand? I'm just going to go to my drawer and I'll pick up one 6x10. So this is 10x6 rather. So this is what it looks like. So you'd need this, and I put my package in organza bags like this. So this is what it looks like. So this, and so I'm going to get 2 of my business cards because I have a lot. So if you don't have a lot, you can just do one, but I have a lot of business cards, so why not? So 2 business cards and a mascara wand on the one we purchased today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. And I'll take one, and that's what we'll put there. Yeah, so we have 2 business cards, lashes. Make sure that everything is correct. I'm gonna put it in this bag. So yeah, this one is better. So that's why I told you always check to make sure that what you're sending to your clients is good. So when they come back and start ranting, you tell them, I know what I sent to you. This is what you're showing me is not what I sent to you. So of course I'm going to go ahead and put my business cards, 2 of them. I think I'll put it at the back like this. So this is what it looks like, and I would add my mascara wand and tie it up like this, and this is what it looks like. So cute. Next, I'm going to go ahead and open my thank you cards pack, and I'll just take 1 card and write something really nice because I really want to appreciate her. She was actually the first person to order before the other person ordered. So yeah, so this is what our thank you cards looks like. I think we got this for $10.99 at Target. So really cute, and it fits into the, if it's going to fit into the bag that we want to use. So I'm just going to get a pen and write something really sweet. I don't like this, huh? It makes my handwriting fine, so we'll go ahead. So what's her name? Easy. I think she's Easy on Instagram. So I'm just going to write, I think I want to give her a code for 10% off her next order since she used 5% now, so just extra. So I finally figured out what I'm gonna write. So I said, thank you so much for your order and for supporting my business. Here is the 5% discount code for your next order before 24th of July 2020. Then I put the code in quotation, and I hope you enjoy our lashes. XOXO Marianne. It's really cute. I really like this thank you card. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the envelope. You don't really need to, but you know, I think you don't need, because I actually want the thank you to show. Abi baby. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the lash in first, and I'm using the 6x10 bubble miller in case I didn't say so before. So, oh babe, should I put the thank you card inside the pouch, or just I think I should put, because most people don't check.
Most people don't check.
Like if I put it inside separate, most people don't check like if there's anything extra once they pull this out. So let me just put it here. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it inside the bubble miller. So at this point here, I'm gonna take my shipping scale. So this is the Acutech one. If you want to make a purchase, I have links in my bio, so make sure to check that out. Yeah, let me just make sure that everything is on point. Thank you card, just to absolutely make sure that everything is set. She ordered Ogi and Ada, so that's that. The mascara one is inside, so just gonna put this here inside and put this on top. put this inside and just something like this. Put it inside here. And this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna tear this off. And the thank you sticker, just because we're extra. So I'm just gonna do one out, and I'm just gonna take thank you and put it here, right at the center. Ooh, that's so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wait. I'm gonna switch to my phone so you guys can see what I'm doing through video. So you're going to turn on your shipping scale and zero it out, and make sure it's on a flat surface. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this over it and measure it. So 1.9, 2.0, 2.0. So the highest is what you're going to use. One thing I also like about this is that it can pull out. So if you have like a rolling object that you need to ship, this also works. So, and it's going to give you the same, it works the same exact way. You can see it's still 2.0, 2.9. So we're good. I'm going to use 2.0. So what I did was I went back to this, and I'm going to choose envelope and padded envelope, and I saved the settings already. So envelope padded polymer, so the measurement is 10 by 6, 10 inches length, and width is 6 inches, and the measurement for my shipping scale is 2 ounces. So if you're shipping outside the US, you need to fill up a customs form. If you're shipping like hairspray, perfumes, lithium batteries, everything, you need to also tick this. And of course, if you want to save the settings, you save it so you don't have to look for it next time. And I'm going to click get rates, and it's going to take a few seconds, and it's going to show me how much the rates are. And I'm going to just, if you want to pick something else, maybe your customer picked priority meal, of course you just select whatever they picked, and of course you can see it's a lot cheaper on here than on Shopify. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and select the dates that I intend to ship out, which is on Monday, tomorrow, and I'm going to click buy label. Here it's going to ask you for bank details, so I'm going to go ahead and input bank details and buy it, and yeah, I'll come back. Our shipping label has been created. I just downloaded it because we don't have a printer yet. We're going to print that out later, but we have our shipping label. So this is the adhesive one. So when you print on it, you basically just peel it off and put it on here. So it just glues on here like this, and it's ready to go. So I just brought out two because it's two that we're going to be shipping out tomorrow. So let me just show you what the shipping label looks like. This is what it looks like. Yeah, that's basically that with this one. Yeah, so that's how I ship and send out my packages. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry it was very long. It's because this is my first time, so it's not easy trying to show you guys something when it's actually like your first time, because I'm also learning as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a huge thumbs up, like this video, and share with your friends if you found it helpful. Bye.